सर डीआरएम सर सुनो थोड़ा पीछे करो पीछे।
సార్ 100 మీటర్ల దూరంలో ఉన్నాం సార్. ప్లీజ్ సార్ 100 మీటర్ల దూరంలో ఫైల్ సిబ్బంది అయితే మాత్రం పెద్ద ఎత్తున ఇక్కడికి చేరుకునైతే మాత్రం రైల్వే స్టేషన్ అడ్డుకున్న ప్రయత్నం అయితే మన ఉద్యోగులు చెప్పొచ్చు. ఏదైతే దాదాపుగా ప్రమాదం సంబంధించిన వెంటనే ప్రయాణికులు అయితే మాత్రం ఇతర ప్రాంతాలకి
The incoming train of Korba Express, it came to Visakhapatnam station at platform number 4. The train had to go for maintenance to the coaching depot. The train had been blocked and the power had been shut down. This empty train, this empty ring was standing on the platform. At around 9:20 AM, our RPF staff was patrolling the platforms. He noticed smoke coming from the B7 coach. He immediately alerted the fire brigade, and accordingly all the railway staff available at the station, they also came with backup to douse the fire. The efforts to douse the fire started immediately after that. Once the fire brigade came, the efforts to douse the fire were intensified. As per the protocol, the two adjacent coaches were left attached to this particular coach, and the rest of the rake has been taken out to the coaching depot. Once we got the clearance from our fire department, the balance two coaches which were adjacent to this coach, they also have been removed from the site. This particular coach also we will be taking to the depot for further investigation. Since it's an empty coach, therefore there have been no injuries and no casualties. The damage is only to the coach. We are going to assess the damage. We are also going to investigate in detail the cause of the fire. I believe the Commissioner of Police is also coming here, and he would also be having a look at it. I spoke to the district fire officer also, and he has also seen the coach and done a preliminary examination of the coach. The detailed investigation of the coach will be taking up from today itself, and the train Tirumala Express, which is linked to this particular train, it will be going right time. We will be providing an alternate rake for making it go right time from Visakhapatnam.
Sir, any doubt expressing the police or railway officials? Any doubt expressing?
No, as of now, we have not been able to get to the primary cause of fire. However, we will be doing a detailed investigation considering all aspects and come to a conclusion.